back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video, it's an exciting video. In today's video, I'm finally getting the chance to try the Aztec Indian healing clay. I'll be trying this mask along with the apple cider vinegar. I'm super excited to try this. I have seen a lot of people try this and get amazing results. The last two people that I actually sat down and actually watched their videos was Azlia and Tatyana, and they had amazing results with their hair and their skin, and that is what I'm trying today. I'm going to try it not only on my hair but on my skin just to see if I see a difference. If you guys want to see the results from me using this Indian clay mask, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel first. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I have a glass bowl. Hopefully it won't like mess it up. I'm just going to take this clay mask and I'm going to pour a decent amount into my bowl. So I think this should be enough. I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to get to pouring. Kind of have the consistency that I'm going for, a little creamy like consistency. Just going to kind of mix it up a little bit more. And I'm just going to let it sit for a few seconds. I'm just going to take my bun down. This is what it looks like. It's just really dry and really crusty right now. I'm just going to split this into like 4 sections. I'm going to start off with the front section. First, I'm just going to spritz my hair with some water because I just feel like it's better for you to put it on wet hair than dry hair. Starting off, I'm just going to make a good amount, start on my ends, and just work my way up. Oh yeah, that's really hard. I'm just going to split that. Have some more of this mask. I'm just going to bring it down. Making sure I have the ends coated really well because the ends are the oldest part of your hair and you always want to show love to your ends. I'm going to show some love to my edges because they need some love too. I feel like I'm like perming my hair or something. Honestly, this feels really smooth on my hair, and I can also kind of feel it getting hard already on my hair. I don't know if it's because of the gel that I had caked up on my hair or what. Just works really well. So far for me putting this mask in my hair feels like really stiff and it feels kind of hard already, and I'm still like barely finished with this top section, and it smells. So starting off with the back, I'm basically just doing the same thing. Put my hair in half just to work with the back section. Basically doing the same like routine, like just making sure that these sections are coated. Alright guys, so now that I'm finished with this half of my hair, I'm just making sure I coated literally every section with this mask. I really feel like I coated everything. My hair is basically going stiff right now, but so far so good. The only thing I really don't like is the smell, but I'll get over it. I'm just gonna put this in a fast pace for this side and I'll come back to you guys. So I am finally finished with my hair. It took a while because it started to get hard as freak. So I have a little bit left. I really feel like this should be enough for my face. So I'm just gonna take the rest of this mask. I'm just gonna put it on my face. It does get a little bit messy, so I suggest you guys use a shirt that you really don't use. It's really cold and I'm already cold. So thoughts on my hair. I feel like it's gonna work really well on my hair because it's a really strong mask for one, and two, I never really used like a strong mask like that on my hair. Besides, the last really good mask that I had that was kind of strong was the Cream of Nature charcoal mask. So I guess the detoxifying mask really worked with my hair. So far I'm really liking this mask. The only part Like I said before, I hate the smell, but it will go away. It says feel your face pulsate, so I hope it's not really intense when I take it off. When I was watching Azlia video, she was saying that it was just like hard to take off. I hope it doesn't like really hurt that bad, so I don't know, we'll see. If you guys want to see her video or Tatyana's video, I'll link it down below because they are one of my favorite YouTubers and I could literally watch them all day, and that was just a bomb video. And they gave me the inspiration to actually find, like dig deep down to find this clay and to make this video for you guys. So thank them. I got basically everything, even my shirt, maybe my floor, maybe the ceiling. And now I'm just going to sit here probably about 30 minutes. That's how long I usually sit for a regular hair mask, and probably same amount just to get everything done in one, or whenever it gets like really hard. I'm just gonna let this sit and I'm gonna come back to you guys just to give you guys my thoughts with my hair being styled so you guys can see the full results of how my hair looks. So it's the next day. This is what my hair looks like. It just looks really shiny, really moisturized, and it actually looks better than most of my wash and goes, which is kind of surprising. Like my day one hair looks pretty good. It's just a little flat a little bit, but I mean, it's normal for my day one hair. As for my hair, it looks really good. It honestly looks amazing. Like, look at that definition, look at that shine, you know, like, it looks really good. Other than my hair, my face looks really, really good. It got rid of most of my dark marks on my face. After I took my mask off, I could tell a difference in my skin. It looked a lot better. It was a little red for about 30-ish minutes, but they said it was normal, so I wasn't really tripping on it. This looks really good, looks really shiny, and I'm actually going to start using that mask more often on my face. Overall, I really enjoyed using this mask. It was amazing. I would definitely be using it more in the future. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have tried this mask, and if you haven't, I really recommend you to go try this mask for your hair or for your skin. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below for more videos. And if you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. You made it this far, why are you not subscribed, sis? Thank you guys for all the love and support you guys continue to show me, and thank you most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.